A small quantity of solution containing sodium radionuclide of activity 1 microcurie is injected into a blood of a person. A sample of the blood of volume 1 centimeter cube taken after 5 hours shows an activity of 296 disintegration per minute. What will be the total volume of the blood in the body of the person? Assume that the radioactive solution mixes uniformly in the blood of the person. Take 1 curie. 1 curie is another unit of radioactivity, that is 3.7 into 10 to the power 10 disintegration per second, that is becquerel, and e to the power minus lambda t, that is 0.7927, where lambda is a disintegration or decay constant. Now, using the formula, A is equal to, that is activity at a given instant, is equal to initial activity e to the power minus lambda t per 1 cm cube. That is important. Per 1 cm cube. Okay. Now at t is equal to 5 hours, A is equal to, they are saying 296 disintegrations per minute, that is 296 by 60, that is 4.9 disintegration per second it will be. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So that is 60 seconds. So this is the activity at t is equal to 5 hours. Now activity at t is equal to 5 hours per 1 cm cube we have to calculate. We have already calculated. Then volume of the blood is activity at a given instant divided by activity per cm cube. That is A. That will give you the total volume of the blood. Actual activity per cm cube of the blood. So this is A naught. A naught is given as 1 microcurie. So 1 microcurie into e to the power minus lambda t, that is given as 0.7927 as a value, divided by activity per cm cube of the blood is 4.93. So this is per cm cube, this is total activity at a given instant, that will give you the total volume. Activity cancels, cm cube will give you that. 1 microcurie means it is 1 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 1 curie is 3.7 into 10 to the power 10 disintegration per second into 0.7927 divided by 4.93. Now the volume is 3.7 into 10 to the power 4 into 0.7927 divided by 4.93. So that will come around 5.94 into 10 to the power 3. This is per cm cube, no? This is per cm cube. So per cm cube, which I have written here, so that will go as cm cube here. So it is 5.94 liters. So option A is the right answer.